Hello guys, and welcome back to Cardano News Today. Today in this video we'll discuss and share the most recent updates on Cardano, price updates, and why Simmons bought $300,000 worth of Cardano. Make sure to stick with us until the end. Also subscribe to our channel for more daily updates on Cardano and videos like this. Let's get started. KISS bassist Simmons tweeted in February that he had purchased $300,000 of the Cardano blockchain's ADA currency, writing, "It was one I believe in." The conviction has paid off for the rocker, with ADA's cost dramatically increasing since then. At that point, based on back-of-the-envelope math, the token crowd could be worth more than $700,000 now. ADA is one of the 14 cryptocurrencies Simmons owns, he said Sunday in an interview on the Altcoin Daily YouTube channel. "I like Cardano, despite the fact that it's a moron name," Simmons said. "Dispose of that thing, just call it ADA, call it by the trading name." Ether, the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum blockchain, and Litecoin, among others. He said he purchased Bitcoin when the cost was around $10,000. "All my crypto have done really well overall," Simmons said. The musician, once known by his stage persona The Demon, said he purchased 0.2% of two cryptocurrencies that he thinks will go up tenfold. He declined to name them because in the event that he did, the prices would presumably pump and you'll have short sellers. "I need the rise to be natural," Simmons said. He said he's a medium fan of Charles Hoskinson, the lead developer of the Cardano blockchain. "You live and die by individuals who steer the organization," Simmons said. He said BTC and ETH are the two biggest cryptocurrencies in his portfolio on a rate basis. And keeping in mind that he sold Dogecoin, DOGE, recently after Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted about it, he said he plans to hold his leftover cryptocurrencies for something like 10 years. "Do your own research," Simmons said. "In the interest of total honesty, nothing I'm saying means anything. Please ignore me. I'm not offering anyone guidance." Simmons is not an investment specialist. In any case, he can assume a significant part in the development of Cardano. For better or for worse, he is someone who individuals look to, if just to see what he's doing in his life. This is proven by the almost 1 million followers he has on Twitter. His simple commitment with and discussion of crypto investing, especially Cardano, helps carry new individuals to the conversation, ideally sparking a curiosity to discover what's really going on with it and what uses can be addressed by its utility. Cardano has effectively seen massive development this year, which has pushed them into the third largest crypto behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. In addition, Cardano confronted a great deal of FUD this year, especially previously and following the Alonzo upgrade. Besides, founder Charles Hoskinson also pointed the finger at media channels for spreading negative data. Considering this, IOHK CTO Romain Pelerin spoke to Thinking Crypto host Tony Edward and cleared up some misconceptions individuals had with respect to Cardano. Pelerin also shared his views on NFTs and CBDCs. Edward first asked about any misconceptions with respect to Cardano. In response, the IOHK leader dryly responded that the industry should be better at writing than remarking. Going to the controversial EUTXO accounting model, some users had claimed it could just take one transaction for each block. As far as it matters for him, Pelerin contrasted the model with a tree and clarified that the leaves represented the transactions. In the meantime, he contrasted Ethereum's model with that of a bank. With respect to Cardano's objective to locally onboard 1 billion individuals in 5 years, Pelerin spoke about Hydra, a Layer 2 scalability solution which would empower transactions to happen somewhat off-chain. Pelerin also discussed the King coin, bringing up how Cardano's EUTXO model has been determined from Bitcoin. In any case, he was quick to note that Cardano was developing and not recreating. He also reminded viewers that Bitcoin used a proof-of-work consensus mechanism while Cardano used proof-of-stake. Condemning the constant battle on social media and composed campaigns against projects, Pelerin said, "Because I think naturally, assuming you need blockchain to be the trust layer of this web tomorrow, you need to associate networks. You need to team up." Edward asked Pelerin whether Cardano might at any point work with a central bank to make a CBDC. Pelerin said, "I'm truly interested in checking out CBDCs with regards to African countries because they're attempting to synchronize their monetary systems." In a speculative situation, Pelerin suggested that CBDC holders would presumably associate with the Cardano manifest using stablecoins. As previously revealed, Cardano has chipped away at projects in Africa, incorporating one with the Ministry of Education in Ethiopia. Pelerin was visibly amped up for NFTs and gaming on the Cardano ecosystem. He said, "It's an exceptionally interesting use of blockchain to confirm content. It's simpler to ensure advanced substance than this present reality object, for instance." He also anticipated more advancement nearby. Nonetheless, Pelerin thought about how NFT ownership would function with licensed property laws in various countries. At last coming to Cardano, he referenced the continuous efforts to construct Crypto Bison, an NFT-based game on the organization. Current updates. The 33-year-old founder of Cardano and chief executive of Input Output Hong Kong, IOHK, Charles Hoskinson, will cross the whole length of Africa 1 week from now to meet with startups using his blockchain to solve local problems. As per him, countries in Africa are needing a safe and strong monetary system. The mainland's young population and rising digital adoption, combined with the absence of any legacy money-related systems, makes it a ripe destination for Cardano to thrive, or if nothing else, attempt. The first countries that hold national elections online that are credible, free, fair, and audible are probably going to be by African nations. They will be the first countries to have an end-to-end digital identity and economy. Statement via Cardano fellow benefactor Charles Hoskinson during his keynote address at the Blockchain Africa 2021 in March. While the financial needs of Africa can't be understated, Cardano has its own objectives to meet. It's as of now trapped in a battle against new competitors in the space of decentralized finance, DeFi, seeming to be the following Ethereum killers, and presently, Ethereum itself plans to wipe out Cardano's essential upper hand by turning out to be more energy effective by the following year. All the more as of late, despite hosting the Cardano Summit in September, which incorporated a slew of announcements including commercial offices specially for Africa, the blockchain's native token, ADA, has been struggling to stay in the green even as the worldwide crypto market has been recovering. African countries have historically struggled with issues of infrastructure problems, which have resulted in monetary services being less accessible to the common person. Cryptocurrency, ostensibly, could give an alternative to conventional banking. Major updates. Decentralized lending protocol ADA Lend is expecting to shake up the DeFi space with its blockchain-powered lending services. The ADA Lend protocol self-controls the new wave of adaptable monetary markets by serving as a foundational layer for instant loan approval, automated insurance, trustless custody, and liquidity, all on the Cardano blockchain. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a subset of the blockchain industry that aims to give a decentralized version of mainstream monetary services. Throughout the last 2 years, the industry has developed from $1 billion in January of 2020 to a staggering $96 billion in September 2021, surpassing all expectations. While several DeFi platforms discover success on Ethereum, users are footing the high transaction costs and fees. Pushed significantly higher in 2021 as recently minted NFT collections eat resources and push gas fees for DeFi users much higher. There are several central reasons why ADA Lend is impeccably positioned to offer these same services, for a portion of the cost to users combined with lightning-fast transaction times. As referenced, ADA Lend uses Cardano as the primary blockchain that determines its DeFi system. In contrast to AAVE or Uniswap, for instance, which is built on Ethereum, Cardano is a lot cheaper to send, get, and start contracts. In 2021, Ethereum gas prices skyrocketed, causing customers to understand that fees were a significant issue for everybody using well-known Ethereum protocols. In some instances, in 2020 and 2021, a normal fee for a transaction came to as high as $80. Cardano fees stay low in comparison with a normal cost of 40 cents per transaction. Essentially, because of its dual-layer design, what separates computations from settlements. The benefits of DeFi platforms like ADA Lend running on Cardano should be obvious to see. The Cardano codebase is created in Haskell, a broadly well-known programming language expressly chosen for its ease of examining. The Solidity programming language was concocted by Ethereum developers, an exceptionally specialized language, and hardly any engineers can write it, much alone peer review. Which has turned into a massive selling point of the Cardano blockchain. The more engineers who can review code, the safer and airtight the system will be. To put it another way, Cardano developers need the blockchain to be as free of code errors as possible to keep away future security concerns. While some commentators see this as unnecessary, the benefits of carrying out faultless code will presumably receive tremendous longer-term rewards for Cardano and ADA Lend. One major concern arising as of late has been the energy productivity of blockchain protocols. Miners consuming a ton of energy to secure the network predominantly power Ethereum, eating massive amounts of power in the process. Cardano uses a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm called Ouroboros. This closed-loop system effectively uses network resources by permitting ADA holders to assign their assets to secure the network. The result is a significantly less resource-intensive system. ADA Lend had an oversubscribed seed round prior last month. With the private sale balance running rapidly, numerous investors are rushing in to ensure their spot in the private sale. Do like this video. Also, subscribe and share to our channel Cardano News Today. Let us know your thoughts on Cardano in the comments section.